Now, if you can't tell, thunder's happening right now. Well, can this thing not be blurry at all?
Hit your camera.
Hold on, focus. Also, Rollins watching Rise of the Titans, but thunder's happening at the moment. Oh, there's some over there.
What? Which?
Trying to get footage of lightning. Ah, not yeah. I definitely got that on camera. But yeah, a big giant thunderstorm. It's crazy.
There's noise happening.
Yeah, that's thunder right there. Yeah? What? What? What is it? Drying myself? What's going on?
Look outside.
What?
It's so hard right now.
Whoa! What's going on?
Look over. Oh God.
Look at the rose.
Oh my God! Wait, can we not go out?
I got it. It's lightning.
Whoa! All right, I'm just gonna stand right there and not be outside. Like, hold on, step back. Wait, I need the light on. What the? Whoa! Oh my God! You weren't kidding! Okay, I literally just got out of the. Oh! I literally just got out of the shower and they're just banging on my door. That's real lightning. Holy crap.
Hey, pick up the plant.
Yeah, let's just. Pick up the chairs.
Brand new.
Pick up the chairs. Huge lightning. Oh, I should have brought my flip-flops. You know what? I'm just gonna. Oh my God. The airport's gotta be closed. Like, oh my God.
This is probably the worst weather I've seen in Las Vegas.
I've never seen this type of weather.
Oh, it's like, it counts this as 20 times worse in Tennessee.
Yo!
It's like 20 times worse in Tennessee.
Wait, what happens in Tennessee? Whoa! Wait a minute, I'm gonna go get a better shot at the backyard.
Okay.
Oh my
Hey, open
God!
the door.
Alright, I'm outside in the backyard. Holy crap! Whoa! Liam's now joining with me.
Hey, remember what I said up front. It's 20 times worse in Tennessee. Oh no.
Oh my God, just.
Hey, Rowan, it's 20 times worse in Tennessee here.
Holy crap!
Wow! Whoa! Oh my God, this is a huge thunderstorm. Hey, Vader. Yeah? Yeah, that's mine. Okay, alright. I am in the shower and they come banging on my door, trying to tell me to get dressed quickly so I could record this, and I'm like, what? Whoa! And I'm like wondering, what are they talking about? And Oh my god, this is insane. Rylan,
Look at this. Look at over there.
Oh my god. Whoa!
Whoa.
It's not wet. Yeah, that's totally wet. I'm totally getting wet. I literally just dried myself up, but oh my god, it's pouring down so. Whoa! Ah! Okay, it's just on my phone is getting wet.
Wait, how's that family going? Ah,
Yo! Oh, it's a huge thunderstorm.
is that why a tornado is happening?
Wait, a tornado's happening?
I remember a tornado a long time ago. It happened.
I don't know if it's a
tornado happened in Las Vegas a long time ago.
Wait a minute, a tornado happened in Las Vegas?
Yes, a long time ago.
What year exactly?
I don't know. Julian, fine. Show me it. He showed me the video. It was thunder.
Trying not to get my phone wet. I need an umbrella, honestly. I need an umbrella. You get some cool thunder Whoa! Jinx. Okay, this is straight up insane. I literally have caught footage of lightning like 2 or 3 times, but this is probably the best part. That is thunder! That is legit thunder! Oh my god! Alright, Liam's gonna join along with us. That is legit. You can hear that. That is legit thunder. That is legit thunder.
No. It's totally thunder, yeah.
Oh my god.
That sounds like the sound of thunder there.
Oh my god. Is it slowing down now? It looks like it's raining less.
It will be gone tomorrow.
No, it sounds like the rain's cooling down. Isn't it? Oh, don't tell me the rain's cooling down. I just got out here. How long has it been going on?
A couple minutes. It started about, I think, 45 minutes ago.
Ah, crap.
Oh, we need 5.
Wow!
You don't have to scream!
Tell me I got that on camera. I don't know if I did. I don't know if I did. I'll make sure I get some of
Imagine
this.
we see a lightning outside. It will be. That's not rain.
Whoa!
Oh!
This is crazy.
See. Oh, it's supposed to rain. It's supposed to be bad at, look, 100%.
Wait.
It's almost bad at 100%.
It's blurry. Oh my god.
And it's Las Vegas.
Well, what about check in Washington maybe? Just wondering.
There's no rain there.
Ah. Oh my god. What about in Korea? Since Rylan's worried that there's thunder at where Patricia's at. Whoa! Tell me I got that on camera. Tell me.
That's not even the worst of it.
What?
It's not the worst of it. We're in here right now. That's all about to hit us.
Jesus!
Wait, that's coming here?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah. That's literally 2 minutes ago. Yep. 9 o'clock is supposed to be the worst, and that's 9:18.
Oh my god, I gotta get some of this footage. You know what? Screw the footage where you and I just play pool on camera. I'm getting footage of this. The thunder just saved my butt. But I do like to get a rematch from you, but off camera, because there's no way I'm having you beat me on camera.
Matthias,
But
I think, look at this.
I've already looked at it, Rylan. I'd like to get the.
It's so rising. It looks like it's rising and like it's flooding.
Whoa!
Oh!
Okay, I have got to go. I could have gone on camera. You know what? Screw it. I'm going outside. I'm gonna go in the middle of the grass. I'm going in the middle of the grass. I need to get some shots of the foot. Get some good.
Should you try and get a good picture of the lightning and then use that as the
Well, I could just screenshot
and
it
use that-
since I'm recording
and
it.
use that
as a
the,
thumbnail.
yeah.
I could just screenshot it. Since,
Or just go online and get like a picture of that.
you know what? Screw it. I don't care if I step on dog doo doo. I'm going out. I'm risking getting my phone wet for this. I'm risking getting my phone wet for this. I mean, it's not raining that bad. just a couple of drops. Put on a towel later. What time is it now?
It don't care if I think you show anyway.
Wow!
Wow!
Wow, I got that on camera! I got that on camera!
Okay, it's right there. The light, the thunder, just right there.
Wait, what time is it now?
8:50. It's about to start raining really, really bad.
Oh, God. What am I gonna get footage of? I can just get it through my...
Ah!
Are you kidding me? Do I have to go out in the front? I want to get out in the back.
Very bad weather.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
This is legit crazy.
Bobby!
I'm risking getting my phone wet, Dad. I mean, rain can't do it. The rain can't...
Bobby, it's got to be way more than raining.
So, Dad, my phone isn't waterproof for water, but it's waterproof for rain, correct? Give me a thumbs up if I'm correct. Yeah. So, wow! Woo!
Come on. Hey, under the roof. Come on.
Oh, I want to get some footage.
Under the roof.
Oh my God.
Go around. Go around. Don't step on the grass.
How come?
So, you guys haven't jumped the roof today?
I gotta step on dog's poop. I gotta step on dog doo-doo. Oh my God. This is insane. This is insane. What the heck?
Take a shower. Anyway.
Right there. Don't, come on. That's too close. Come on.
Yo, alright, I'm gonna go wait till the big one comes,
Why
so.
you don't-
Alright, let me just open up my window. I gotta get something. Sorry if it's very dark, but bro, oh my God. Like, yo! Oh my God. Alright. Honestly, I should just wait till 9:18, but let me just, like, get one shot. Whoa! Let me just try to get one shot on camera. I could try to be taking pictures now, but I could just screenshot it while I'm editing this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! Yo! What? Oh my God. This is insane. This is just insane. Oh my God. Yo! Oh my God! I should have taken a picture! Alright, I'm gonna try to take a picture. For the thumbnail, maybe. Then again, I just... Oh my God, I'm gonna try to take a picture. Come on. I can do this. I believe in myself. Come on. Come on, give me a lightning strike or something. Come on. Give me some thunder. Oh, this is insane. This is absolutely insane. The airports are for sure closed. They are for sure closed. For sure. They are for sure closed down. No joke. They are definitely closed due to weather. All right, come on. Give me a good one. Give me a good one. Come to Daddy. Come to Papa. Come to Poppy. Come to me. Yeah. Oh my God, I'm being weird. You can come out now. Come out, whatever you are. Lightning and thunder. You can definitely hear that. You know what? I should just be quiet so you can hear the thunder. It's very quiet. It's about to get worse at 9:18. And I'm taking horrible pictures. All I'm taking is just a black, just black, yeah. God dang it. I need to be quick. I'm gonna cause storage problems even more with these photos. Oh, come on. Come on. No! I don't know if I got a good one. Honestly, don't know if I got a good one. Damn it. That was thunder. That was thunder. I repeat, that was thunder. That was thunder, baby. God of thunder. Yeah. Alright, come on. Give me lightning so I can use this for thumbnail. No? Nothing? Nothing at all? Oh, I don't know if that was a good one. Oh, damn. Okay, come on. Alright, come on. Just one more. Alright, one more try. One more! Tell me I got that! You know what? One more. I know I said one more, but just one more. One more! Come on. One more, come on. Give me something good. Oh! Give me something good. Just pay attention to the camera. And outside. Go! Oh, this is so difficult. How do you capture lightning on camera? Like, take a picture. Oh my god, it's actually difficult. How do you capture lightning on camera, honestly? Ay, come on. Come to that. That was probably the worst picture I got. Oh my god. This is honestly gonna piss me off. You know what? I should just stop recording. You know, I'll stop recording at 6 minutes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that was a little bit disappointing. I'm just gonna wait till 9:18. So, yeah, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Alright, it's not lightning, but it's not 9:18 because Liam explained.
It's not raining.
Liam, explain what you told me.
Why?
Because
Whoa!
Jesus!
Rylan, come back.
He's right here. I have him.
It's just saying it. It's there. It's literally right there behind.
It's pretty much taking place in Las Vegas City.
Oh my!
I'm gonna try to get some pictures
You
though.
lose some footage.
No, I've been recording the entire time. Kind of. Come on, give me some good lightning. I would like to take some pictures. I'd like to capture some lightning on camera. But the bad area is gonna be over there. It's not gonna be coming here. We pretty much just passed it.
Has the bad area? Where is it? Where is it?
The airports are definitely closed for sure.
You got that.
On video.
That's a better thumbnail too.
On video. I don't know if I got it in picture.
But that's probably gonna be a better thumbnail right there.
I got it on video. I just don't know if I got it on picture.
You can screenshot it. Just pause it.
Yeah, then again, I could just screenshot it, but I would like to take a picture.
I'm just gonna try and get a perfect timing lightning strike, which won't happen.
Oh man, I might as well send you pics.
I'm just gonna spam pictures.
Bobby, why do you don't get your phone over here?
Then it's got storage problems as well.
I don't.
I should be on top of the truck, not like on top of the thing, just on the thing, on the back. I'm gonna be on the back. I'll try not to slip and fall and break my neck.
Bobby,
Yo!
Bobby,
Yo!
That's a great thumbnail.
Whoa.
I could definitely.
Bobby.
Oh, I swear to God.
Come here. Boys, come here.
I swear to God, if I didn't get that on camera, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed.
I think you got it, but the tree's in the
Got it.
way.
Right there.
I need. Oh my God. I'm gonna be pissed if I did. Oh my God, I'm trying to get a picture though. I know, I get screenshot, but I would like to get a picture.
Lightning. Come on.
Alright, hang on, one more.
You're a thunderstorm warning. Flash flood.
Hey. Boys, come on.
Alright.
I want you guys to be undercover. Come on.
Oh, crap. I almost tripped.
I'm at the light up here.
Yes, that's what I'm.
I got my shorts wet. Jesus Christ. Oh! I definitely got that on camera. Oh my God.
Rylan, come here.
My diet.
Keep coming.
I want.
Yo! I just hard to tell if I even got tongue. Oh, come on.
I got that one.
Give me a lightning strike.
You must have got a fuse, dude. You were recording the whole time.
That's all I got.
Oh my God, this is just insane. It'd be crazy and stupid if I were on the roof, just getting footage of this.
100% yes.
Then I'm gonna be on the roof multiple times at home. I don't do it often, I just do it, when I'm a little upset, just to get some air.
I've seen this.
Let's just go to Las Vegas.
I've never
See how it's
seen-
there.
I've never seen so much lightning and stuff like that.
Wait, Dad, you said there's a better area to get lightning at on time. Where would that be? To get better views of lightning, where would that be? You said that a couple of months ago. No, weeks ago, actually. Where was that? Like, all the way over there or something? Oh, yo. Oh, my God. Oh, this is insane. It's just...
Listen, I'm not taking pictures. Just like,
I'm trying... Oh, my... I missed my chance to take a picture! I just screenshot, but I would like to take a...
pause it the video.
I know, you don't have to remind me. I know. I could screenshot it from editing.
Here, boys, it's enough. Come on.
Alright, one more.
Bye.
Just one more. One more. One more. What? Oh
Do you
my
delete
god.
your videos?
Yes, I had my videos in Power Director.
No, I said delete after the video and upload.
Yes, due to storage problems. Yes, I do that after I uploaded them. Once it's uploaded.
Those are a huge one.
Come on, give me a lightning strike. Give me a lightning strike. Come on, give me a lightning strike. Give me
I
a
already got one from over there.
I know, I mean, I got it on
Fires.
camera.
You have a good one, like I said. You have.
I like to take a picture, though.
Like
Yeah.
Liam said. Like Liam said. Come on, let's go.
Ah,
Let's go. Good job, guys.
oh my god. Yep. You know what, screw it. I'll just screenshot it. I'll just screenshot it.
Come on.
Well, that's the end of the vlog. I'm probably just gonna watch the lightning from Dee's window or my window, but yeah, peace out.